Hello, I'm Clive, co-founder of RAPMAF, and today is our factory tour series. On this episode, I'll be taking you inside our two core technology manufacturing line, the GF Precision Machining Center and the Mazak Mill Turn Center. Here is where complex geometric shapes are brought into life and stringent tolerances become a reality. In our GF manufacturing line, precision is not an accident. It is the result of meticulous design. It is the bridge that transforms design intent into precise geometric shapes. Every degree of rotation, every cut is dedicated to handling complex structures that would daunt ordinary manufacturers. Our GF machining centers are designated for the most demanding applications, whether it's medical components requiring a mirror-like finish or critical aerospace components demanding zero defects. We ensure that every cut meets our customers' expectations for perfection. If GF is the sharp sword of precision manufacturing, then our Mazak multitasking machine center is the all-around master of manufacturing. With a single machine and a single setup, it can complete complex parts that would otherwise require multiple process changes. This integrated manufacturing process is more than just an improvement in efficiency. More importantly, it eliminates the cumulative errors caused by multiple clamping operations, ensuring that every dimensional relationship is precise and consistent. In high-risk applications, this consistency is the guarantee of your product success. These machines represent not only a technological investment, but also a commitment to the success of your business. Every rotation, every cut, every measurement carries a commitment to your precision. Your next challenge deserves a partner who truly understands the meaning of precision. Thank you for visiting us today. If you have any complex parts machining needs, please feel free to contact us. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Precision manufacturing, creating possibilities. We are RAPMAF.